Aloha mai kākou, Aaron Mahi here, for our final expression of the Hawaiian value, aloha, which is a value that we express here at Partners in Development Foundation. Many of us understand as aloha meaning love, or the facing and exchanging of breath. And Auntie Pilahi Paki, in our journey, we've discovered how she's divided these words up to express true aloha. A for akahai, kindness. L, lokahi, meaning unity. O, olu, agreeable. H, ha'aha'a, humility. A, ahunui, patience. All of these that we've discovered as a way of expressing our aloha one to another. Thank you so much for joining us these past weeks, and we want to express to you our aloha from Partners in Development Foundation. Eola, i ka ʻōlelo Hawaii.